Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you my STYLENANDA 3CE lipstick collection. So I have 4. So first I'm going to show you how the packaging looks like. It's a matte black plastic packaging. It closes like this, like a suction, which is good, so it's really secure and will just not open inside your bag. I also have their Mood Recipe matte lipstick, so this is how the packaging looks like. I prefer this packaging because I can see right away what color the lipstick is. I will compare it now with the MAC lipstick so you see how big it is. The packaging of the 3CE one is really bulky compared to MAC, but it has more products than the MAC one. Just wish that the packaging is not this bulky because it's not so handy for a small bag. And now for swatching, so I'll be doing first the lightest shade, which is the Warm and Sweet. I knew about this shade because of the Lily May Max collection. At first I didn't want it, but then when I saw a lot of reviews about it, so I wanted to have it, but then when I wanted to buy it, everything was sold out. But I saw that it's still part of their old collection, so I just ordered it with the normal black packaging. This color is really pretty. I will use this more during the summer or springtime. After removing my first lipstick, I will apply my cushion foundation around my lips and a lip balm. I prefer using a lip balm for this lipstick since they are matte and they're not as creamy as the MAC ones. So the next shade is my latest purchase. I got this on sale at YesStyle.com. So this is the shade Inked Heart. I really love how unique the color of this lipstick is. Someone even approached me just to ask what lipstick I was wearing. It's such a unique color. I don't think any brand released this kind of color yet, and it really complements my skin tone. It reminds me a bit of pumpkin spice latte, that kind of color range. I've been using it a lot since I got it, and so I really love this shade. The next color is the shade Holy Rose. So it's also part of the Lily May Max collection, but it was already part of an old collection, so I was able to order it. I really love this color as well. This is great for winter or fall time. It's really nice red color with a hint of pink. Here I didn't use a lip balm, so you will see how it applies when used without the lip balm. It's not as smooth and easy when used with the lip balm, but it's still okay. I still don't mind. So I will show you how I remove it. I just used cleansing wipes, so it really removes easily. It doesn't stain my lips. The last color is part of the Mood Recipe. It's the shade Smoked Rose. I still didn't use a lip balm while applying this. I love the color of this. It's red with a brown tint to it and really perfect for winter fall kind of color. When I first got these lipsticks, I applied them directly to my lips, but it was so hard to apply since it was so dry and it tags my lips, so I recommend you use a lip balm for a smoother application. And suddenly I noticed a problem while applying this last shade. I never had this problem while using these lipsticks. So whenever I apply lipsticks, I always rubbed my lips together, or I don't know how you call it, smacking my lips, and then it's done. But with this, I noticed after I do that, the color comes off, so I need to reapply it again, and the same problem happened. So I don't know what's going on that time. So this is how it happens. So the center part, the lipstick does not stay there. It just comes off no matter how many times I reapply the lipstick. So I don't know what's going on. Normally it does not happen to me. So maybe because I was not using a lip balm, or I'm not sure. So I will try a different kind of application. I decided to remove the lipstick on my lower lip, so to see if the application would be better, but I didn't use a lip balm, I just applied it directly. The application now is better than earlier, but I still see that it does not adhere good in the center part of my lip. but then it still looked the same, so I needed to remove it again to see if it will be better. I was really getting impatient because why suddenly this happened to me. So now I removed it again with a cleansing wipe, plus now I apply my cushion so it will be drier, or it will stick more, I hope, and then a lip balm. So here is another attempt, so I really hope it goes well now, because I was really getting annoyed already, and my cushion is getting dirty because of the lipsticks. So now I notice it's getting better, but I really tried not to rub my lips together, or else I will maybe have the same problem again. And then I noticed a dry lip skin peeling off, which is strange. It's still not perfect, but what can I do? So it's just how it is. Since I really want to fix the problem, so I removed it with a cleansing wipes and then a lip balm and the first layer of lipstick, and tap it with a dry tissue, and then apply the second coat of the lipstick. So here I feel like when the lips is a bit drier, it adheres more. Finally, problem solved. So now the wear test. So after I applied the lipstick, I drank a coffee and ate a soft cookie. So this is how it looks after, and now you will see how it looks when we applied. It stayed smooth and doesn't crumble when we applied. So here is the swatches of the 4 lipsticks. So I'll use cleansing wipes to remove them to see the staying power. They said if they stain your skin, then it's pretty long lasting. They leave a stain, but it's not that obvious, so they retail more or less 15 euro, depends where you buy them. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.